5 minutes ago. 2 minutes ago.
She was pushing it like towards Edgar. Look at Edgar! Come on! Look at how close she is to Floyd, doesn't care. Are you crazy? She's crazy. She's seriously crazy.
Look at Edgar in the back.
He's scared. Edgar, come
Oh,
here.
you kicked me out, but
Yeah.
can I see? Can I look?
He's like one of those creeps, like looking through the bathroom, like, you know, like a little peephole, like looking at the girls. Come on, Edgar. Come on. Oh.
I mean, Coco is. I mean, she's pushing the limits.
And she's growling while she's doing it. Look at her. She's like a big python in her body.